Hey guys, and welcome back to Slime Rancher. It's been a while since I played this, and it's in a vert controller, but I've been doing little things, like I've been making, let's play little, I've been making unique people, should I say, like I made cat rocks that eat carrots and they poo out stuff. I've got most of these places upgraded. I've got my fruity tree. Don't have to feed you guys stuff anymore. I've got my honey slimes over here that are generating me lots of profit. I did unlock. Yes, I have unlocked over here. Oh, there's my water slimies. I've got the overgrowth. Anyway. So, there's not much to do now, other than I've got to find out. Now, I know there's a hell of a lot of chickens in here. So, let's try and find chickens. Because I've got something I need to feed you guys to. Come here, you. We're gonna go feed that big cat. Fling someone somewhere. I'm on a hunt for chickens. I'm hunting chickens. So you could go through this game, I suppose, and make like a thing where you just don't, like, I forget what they're called when you crossbreed the things. And by the way, I was reading a little thing about the comment about this game, and this is the first game ever where you make a profit out of shit. There you are. Come here. Way, meat. Delicious meat. Oh dear. God. Sorry about that. I had no idea that my camera was not off. So anyway, like I said, let's go feed our local. Like I said, when you oh God. Any eggs in here? Oh shit, no, that's not what I'm doing. Alright, there you go. I've taken enough from you. It's time to make the hike over here. We'll just have a look in here. I don't have any mail. Sleep until morning. Shut up, bloody! Now I need, the only upgrade I can do is video. Oh, I can't think of his name now. Yeah, anyway, when you basically, when you feed a thing, one of these things, another a poo that's not theirs, they change into whatever it is. Well, they change into a hybrid, should I say. Now, I'm gonna try and get to a certain place as well. Try and get to those islands, wherever they are, the ones that are... I can't remember where they are now. I'll have to hunt around and try and find them. But see, these guys, I think they're called lagoons, something like that. I can't remember. But if you basically, if you feed them 3 things, oh god damn it! Oh, thank you. No, my chicken. Yeah, if you feed them more than 3 things, they turn into those rainbow devourers or something like that. I can't remember their name, but see, like that just happened. He just ate a pink poo and turned into a mega pink poo thing. You know what? You're all for the silo chicks, but I need to feed this thing. No, nothing up here. Alright. Open up your mouth, big boy. Oh, he doesn't eat babies, apparently. I wonder how big his plop is. It must be huge. Well, there's only one other thing to do whilst we're over here. Have a look for the what's it called? The gold slime. That's it. Oh, that didn't work. Got a little check. I don't need a pink poo. Eat them fish. You can have a fish that eats a pink poo and then turns into something strange and weird. Well, there's 2 random chickens here. Now, there is that random gold guy that shows up here. Oh yeah, and every slime also has its favourite food it likes to eat. Get out of my way. Oh, I can't get these chicks. That's right, it's over here. No, I can't get you. Because you're like some sort of stone chick person. Oh, these are honey slimes. They're explosive honey slimes. Okay. Oh god. And that's what happens when they eat more than 3. Why are you guys so angry? I've got through somehow. Yeah, so these are the honey slimes, but there's something better than the honey slimes. I don't want to go that way. There is a gold slime that shows up now and then. Ah, so to get. Needless to say, we're now gonna go and go feed. Go away. Ow. Oh god. That was quite sweet actually, the gold honey slime, that's right, and a cat. How do I get out of here? Oh, okay, I see how it is. I can't get out this way unless I go up there, maybe? Going up. Oh, I'm sorry, little chickadoo. Not much I can do about your situation. What's back here? Is there anything back here? No, not really. Just a place I shouldn't be allowed to get to. Oh dear God, this is gonna go. Oh. Ah! Oh! I made it. So we'll implode this cat over here, and then we'll get another key. I think something like that. Yeah. A stony hen, a henny hen. Have some wrestles. Have that. What the fuck was that? You just love heart me. Oh God! Hey! Oh, go away! Go away! Oh God! Sorry guys, sorry. Now we're gonna go and venture back over here, and because I didn't realize if I just stood on that I would have been teleported like miles away. There's so much pink poo. I suppose if I want to do it properly I could do a whole thing where I do another separate thing and have other type of oh, okay. There's that one other place I can go to. So he just turned to cats. That's all it is at the end of the day. It was just It's just a thing. I mean, I've destroyed that, and last time I destroyed a big slime, I got a slime key, and I could carry on. I mean, unfortunately, this is still in early access. So, what do you do with your life? Oh, I get poo. I sell poo. Oh, that's what I want to do. I want to get these different chicken hens. A brine hen. Well, I got the key. I guess there's not much more to the this early access game really, other than what I've done. Tell you the truth, ain't too much. Can I upgrade this anymore? No. Okay. Boom slime cell vibrate. Don't listen for too long. Okay. Well, that's it really. I mean, I could go by and make all this. Actually, let's collect some of this stuff. Let's go sell it. Ow. Why don't you poo more of your yellow stuff? Let's go sell this. Oh yeah, that's what I was going to try and do. I was going to try and get over there, wasn't I? Yes, I was. Where is that random island? Oh, that just leads me back up there. There is a random island somewhere that I can get to. Well, I think I can get to. I don't know how I'm going to get back, but that's a story you guys get to watch. I think I'll find this island because I have a feeling that I might find that golden slime on there. See, I've seen everything else now. I just can't remember whereabouts it is, but I've seen it. I've seen it, it's real. I'm not crazy. Oh! What are you guys? Stony hens, eh? I'll take a bunch of you guys. Come here, little cuties. Oh! Fuck! This looks interesting. It wasn't that bad. Oh, that was oh, hi you fruit. There's loads of these little guys. Well, that's something I didn't realise that was here. Until I found it. I found this place completely by accident. down there. Ow! How are you hitting me? Fly! I'm interested to see what's up. I have... Ow! Oh, I have seen one of these golden slugs. Luckily in this game you seem to be able to run up everything and anything you want. Oh, I think that's it. That's where I wanted to get to. That place down over there. Oh. If we get over here, I might get a better run up of it. It's closer over here. Gonna be close. I've got to find out what's over there though. There's something over there. Here we go. Made it! Oh, you're kidding me. I got all the way over here for nothing. Oh, but there's a little secret cave down there. Maybe it weren't all for naught. Well, there seems to be a lot of places that I didn't see before. Like that place over there. I'm not gonna make this. I'm not gonna make it. I'm not gonna make it. No! Oh no, I've been knocked out. I got knocked out because I can't swim. Oh god, these guys are going. Welcome back. I had mail. Apparently this place isn't built yet or it's off limits. So let's go look at it anyway. Now where am I? Don't actually know. Oh, it's just a new place that they're building. And I've just kind of like just flew over here to have a look, see? Ah. There's a lot of like ruins and rings here. Oh, I know where that leads. Because down the bottom there, it leads you to the Ah! Now. memory serves, it's not here, is it? No. It was over here. We got to find that other place first. I'll get rid of all this boring stuff and me running around doing nothing. You guys can only get the quality of my labour. Quick look around for the golden slime. Does exist, he's just elusive is the word I'm looking for here. Okay, last time I saw it, I was... Go away. No one to be your friends. Oh. Oh, that's just back around here the wrong way. I don't want to go this way. Okay, let's try and get up here. No, I don't want to start talking. I'm gonna cut most of this out. Come on, go up. Up, 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 up. I wonder how profitable Largo, no, not Largo, evil bastards, that's what I'm calling you guys. Yes. Now that I see this now, there was like a place over here. Be over on this next one. Now my luck, I'm gonna find. Oh my god, was it just the? Yeah, it was just the cave. Look at that, like a pro. Now we're gonna go over there and see what's in that one. Like a pro. Nothing. Well guys, that's all I can show you at the minute of this game. This game's awesome, but there's not much to show anymore. So I'm going to wait until the next expansion or something comes up, if I remember to look. And then I'll show you what comes out in it. But until then, thanks for watching. Bye bye.